The story of Eagle's Rock begins over 340 million years ago. It is the highest freestanding natural rock tower on the island of Ireland, with a peak of 330 meters, 1,082 feet, above sea level, and it can be seen from many miles away. A haven for walkers and climbers, the beautiful landscapes around Eagle's Rock help unveil the hidden stories of the area, including secret caves, icy wastelands, and tropical seas. The limestone that makes up not only Eagle's Rock, but also the entire hilltop at this level is home to a number of virtually inaccessible caves. Bones of brown bears and their cubs were discovered in one of the caves. These bones have been dated to 2000 BC, and have proven that, when humans first arrived in Ireland around 8000 BC, they would have shared the landscape with brown bears. Enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you for watching.